Welcome to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung portable SSD, the T5, and this is the 1 terabyte version, as you see here. So this is what you get when you buy it, at least here in Europe. We're going to open the top and push. See if we can get this open. And inside the box we get our little extra box. There's nothing else inside the box, and we have a case inside here that has the T5. So there's a little flap on the side here. Let's raise this. And here we have our Samsung portable SSD, which is really nice and small, honestly. And this is a 1 terabyte drive. It has a USB-C. And then we open the top and we have a bit of the paperwork, the usual paperwork. And then we have 2 cables, which is really nice with this hard drive. One cable is a USB-C to USB-C. So as you can see here, this will work with modern MacBooks or even like the iPads and so on. Even some Windows computers have USB cable. And then we have a USB-C to a USB-A, which works with some older stuff. And it's 3.1 USB, so it's pretty fast. So yeah, that's basically all you get in the Samsung portable SSD T5. As you can see, the cables you need and basically the hard drive. As it's an SSD, usually it doesn't get broken because there's no moving parts. So if you drop this or put it in your backpack, you should be fine. But I highly recommend a case if you can find one for the Samsung T5. So yeah, that's all for this hard drive. Hope you enjoyed seeing what comes inside the Samsung T5, and let me know if you want to see anything else with the Samsung T5 hard drive. Bye.